Hey, this is Ayaz and today I'm going to present StockMaster demo. So first of all, we get this login page. So as you can see, as I enter my details, I'll get to the dashboard. So the StockMaster is an inventory management app. So on the dashboard, we have the sections such as total products, low stock items, pending receipts and pending deliveries. The next important section we have is the product entry section. In this section, like as you can see, we have all these categories of the product. So when I do add product, it asks me for the product name, the SKU number and the category for the product. So for example, if I put product A and a random SKU number, that would directly be stored into the database. I can select the category for the product. Here I'll select general. I can also put all these details. So for example, if I put initial stock as 500 and I have to select the warehouse that has that stock. So as you can see, the product is listed right here. The next section is the receipts. So in this section, you can generate the receipt for incoming stocks. So as you can see right now, I create a receipt. It asks me for which warehouse and the supplier name. It also asks for the schedule date and extra notes for the supplier. As you can see, it generated a random number for the reference number. So next we have the delivery section. This section is really similar to the receipt section, but this is specifically to manage the outgoing deliveries. And right here we can select the warehouse which has that stock and the customer name, the schedule date and the notes for the customer. The next section we have is transfer. This is an internal tool that would be used to transfer stock between the warehouses. As you can see, right now we only have a single warehouse. I can add a warehouse. For example, I'll do warehouse B, a random warehouse code and the address for the warehouse. So now we have two warehouses and both are active. So then we'll get to the transfer section and select the warehouse A and then warehouse B, the schedule date and notes for the transfer. As you can see, the transfer is being initiated. The next section we have is stock adjustment section and the settings section. The settings section, as you can see, shows all the warehouses and the product categories. So now this is the backend of the product. We are using Convex for this. So the real benefit of using Convex as a backend is that it provides real-time data sync. There is zero backend infrastructure, like there are no servers, no REST APIs or ORMs to manage. The backend function resides inside the Convex directory and can be called directly from the front end. It provides transactional consistency. Convex ensures safe atomic stock operations without issue, such as double counting or race conditions. It is optimized for complex workflows and it is easy to deploy. We have all these functions and logs for the website.